Hey there, cookie lovers. I am Benjamin and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're going to be making the perfect cookie from scratch. Soft, chewy, and delicious. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, these simple steps will guide you through the process. Let's get baking. Here's what you'll need. Butter, both brown and granulated sugar, flour, eggs, vanilla extract, baking soda, salt, and of course, lots of chocolate chips. First thing before we start is we set and preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Today I'm going to end up using the stand mixer. However, you can end up using a bowl and spoon, or if your young child likes to come out, you can use your hands. First, let's prepare the dry ingredients in a bowl. Let's end up putting our flour, our baking soda, and our salt, and let's sift. In another bowl, cream together your butter, vanilla, and sugars. Beat until light and fluffy. It'll take about 2 minutes. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet. Don't mix it up too much or you'll end up getting your cookies tough. Finally, fold in those delicious chocolate chips. More the merrier. Use a spoon or cookie scoop to portion out the dough evenly, making sure to space about 2 inches apart. Bake about 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are golden brown. Remember, they'll continue to cook as they cool. These are perfect. Golden brown around the edges and soft and chewy in the center. Just the way they're supposed to be. Now it's your turn. Grab your ingredients and bake up some cookies. Share them with your friends and family. So, happy baking!